team from Conctr Academy at Mystic Pants. We've been given the task of building a front-end React application in 4 weeks.
This is the C1 tool here.
Connect API. It's called Wimo. The storage conditions go outside multiple levels.
It will be a page that extends a single page that will house all product information and will be a bit of a portal for.
Eventually we'll have that as like logarithmic scaling. So this is just a rough sketch more than anything.
So we're using the data that comes out of the C1 and we're just applying a graph to it so the user can actually see through a line graph what the actual variances have been in their seller.
Here you can see a breakdown of all the different devices.
Authorization's fully implemented.
So the main thing in our app is based on the idea of clusters. So if you have several C1s, it'll be really easy to organize it in such a front end. Please work. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, cool.
It is a bit weird at the moment, but
Trust us, it looks fantastic.